Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because this is my first video of 2018. So what better way of kicking off 2018 than with a top 5 video? So I don't want to waste your time, let's just go ahead and get right into it. My number one favorite fragrance at the moment is this Hermes perfume. This is the Jour de Hermes Absolute fragrance, and you know these perfumes are really hard to pronounce, but this fragrance is like an incredible everyday perfume. I really wanted to get Twilly, which is also a really good Hermes perfume, but they're actually sold out everywhere. So hopefully they restock soon so I can get my hands on it. But this is an amazing daily perfume. It literally lasts all day and I feel like it smells good on everyone. If you're looking for one luxury perfume to splurge on, go for an Hermes one because they are literally the best of the best. Every single one smells so good. The next favorite perfume that I keep on repurchasing is the Acqua di Gioia, which is from Armani. And this is like a good summer fragrance. I feel like it's super fresh, and I don't normally repurchase fragrances, but I have purchased this 3 times. I just keep on buying it because it smells so good. I love like the fresh, like fruity scents, and this totally hits the spot. So taking the number 3 spot is the Givenchy Dahlia Divine perfume. Dahlia Divine, you know, if I'm saying these wrong, I'm sorry. They just make it so hard to pronounce, like all of these. But this smells so good. It lasts all day, and I definitely would recommend like one spray for a special occasion because it goes on very heavy, but not like too heavy. It's like the kind where you just know it's gonna last all day, all night, and it smells amazing. So you know what, who cares if it's too strong? It just smells really good. Taking the number 4 spot is finally a perfume that I can pronounce. This is Chance by Chanel, and this is the Eau Fresh. This is really comparable to the Acqua di Gioia. They do have like a similar like fresh fruity fragrance that you can really wear like every day. It's just super feminine, and this is my favorite out of all of the Chance by Chanel perfumes. Be careful with the bottle because I actually dropped one of my bottles and shattered the entire thing. It broke my heart, but I liked it enough to go back and repurchase another bottle, so it does smell super good. And coming in 5th is the Black Opium Pure Illusion by Saint Laurent, and this is just like a really like sexy fragrance that you just want to wear, you know, on like a date, or if you just want to heat things up. I think that this is the perfect fragrance for you. I really do love the YSL fragrances. I have this huge one and I also have a little one right here. So I'm definitely a YSL Black Opium hoarder, but they just smell amazing. So those are my top 5 current favorite perfumes. I hope that this video was helpful. I love fragrances and I'm just really enjoying these 5 fragrances right now. I hope this video was helpful. If you're like me and you're a perfume hoarder, I'm sure that we have a lot of favorite fragrances in common, but if there were some favorites that I left out, go ahead and comment down below with your current favorites because I would love to know what fragrance I should try next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.